Hi guys, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of block the account on the application of X Twitter. You will go to settings. In this page you will go to apps, default apps, app settings. In this list you will go down until you find X app and you will enter here. Then this page of app info, you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then we click on clear cache. But pay attention, don't click clear data because that can delete your account. So please don't forget to support us.